This is a new tutorial that instructs how we can create a new repository by putting your own name to prevent overwriting issues that we had observed. So just like before, I'm going to log into the Google Earth Engine using the given credentials. Copy and paste the ID that we had provided earlier. Log in using the credentials that we had provided. And hit Google Earth Engine, click Get Started. Then click here to go to the code editor. Then you'll see this landing page of Google Earth Engine repository. Here, as I am interested in collecting label for New Haven, I'm going to create a new repository under this folder. So you can choose your own city of interest. I'm showing an example of New Haven. So once you know your city of interest, click New button and File. Then please navigate to the city of your interest, New Haven for my case. Then I'm going to name, label the city, New Haven, training data, and I will append my name here, Hansu. Once you create this name, you can click and drag to this folder just to make it decent. And then what I'm going to do is I will be copy and paste the original script of New Haven. So the original script has two different sections. The first section shows the list of and samples of collected training samples. And this section gives us a script that will show the area of interest, the shapefile, city boundary, and the corresponding name imagery. So first I'm going to copy the first section by clicking here. Then please hit Ctrl C, then hit close, and move to the new script that we just created and hit Ctrl V. Once you paste all the collected train sample entry, you will see this message. Then please click Convert button. Click this button. Then it will convert the raw script to this format. And let's hit Save button. And let's move back to the original script to copy the second section. Click here, select all, Ctrl A and Ctrl C, or you can use your mouse, of course. Then let's go back to the new script where we add your own name. And click here, and then I'm going to copy the script that I just paste the script that I just copied. And then click Save. And if you hit Run button, and you'll see the previously collected training samples, and then you can start your own training sample collection. Yeah. As we already copied and pasted the first section, you will see these list of training samples. Let's start from the street trees, for example. Okay. Right. As you are working on the new script with your own name, we believe it won't make a overriding issue that we had observed so far. Right. Now we have 12 elements for street trees, while the original script yeah, while the original script will have 10 elements. Thank you.